Hey guys, just a real quick video on replacing the primary clutch of a 4x6 Gator circa 2004 or something like that. I don't have a good part number for you. Anyways, that right there is your primary clutch, and it is on the flywheel shaft, basically a friction fit. There's a single bolt that threads into the end of that jack shaft. So to pull that, you have to use a special tool that basically screws a 9/16 by 18 fine thread bit to basically push the whole clutch off of the shaft. So this here is that 9/16 18 thread bit. So you could use that the special tool, something like $30 or something like that, or you can use a bit of 1/2-inch rod and a section of 9/16 18 thread to do the same thing. You just cut off a bolt, and those measurements for you. What I use is about 2.5 inches for the 1/2-inch bit, and then I think I only really needed about a little over 1/2 inch of thread engagement on this bit. So don't be getting a long screw, because it doesn't actually, the screws will bottom out. So if you get too short a rod, then you'll be bottoming out on this thing before you can even, there we go, see, you can see I've already bottomed out here. So getting this length right is crucial, otherwise you're going to be bottoming out on that threaded portion, and you know, no amount of impact hammering will get that thing off. If you're trying to do it by hand, you're going to have to try to find out a way to hold the clutch while spinning it as well. With this clutch, there's obviously the plastic cover there. There's a plastic cover here, so it's probably best if you're, but it's very straightforward. And let's see, oh yeah, then finally, last bit. I originally started using this pneumatic hammer. I think it has max 500 foot-pounds torque, you know, which I don't know much about impact hammers. It wasn't quite enough to really convince a rusted on or a serious friction fit bit. So I ran out to Harbor Freight, grabbed something that had like 1,200 foot-pounds torque, and just kind of went to town at it for a little bit. And right when I was about to give up, it fell off basically. Next bit pops on real easy. So it's really straightforward once you have the measurements for these two bolts. Make sure you get 18 thread. Don't get the coarse thread, because it doesn't work. Someone I know can tell you that as a fact. But yeah, so good luck and happy gatoring. See ya.